This is the simplest hat I've ever crocheted. The hat is soft, comfortable, and versatile. The whole pattern is a set of stitches. You can increase the number of stitches and rows. Let's crochet together with the tutorial. Use the second and fourth lines of thread nearby. Start with a crochet stitch. We start with 45 chain stitches. This length is from the top of the head to the tip of the nose. Everyone's head circumference is different. To decide how many braid stitches to start, we insert the hook into the second last stitch. Insert the hook. We crochet 39 single crochet stitches. After crocheting 39 single crochet stitches, there are 8 left. We hook the slip stitch. Yarn over. Don't crochet too tightly when crocheting. After hooking, we chain 1 stitch and turn the fabric. For each round, we only pick the inner half of the stitch. That is, this side. Slip stitch. The next pattern is, on the slip stitch, we crochet the slip stitch and crochet single crochet stitches in the single crochet stitch. Repeat this back and forth until you reach the appropriate number of rows. After hooking 8 slip stitches, next we will crochet single crochet stitches. There are 39 single crochet stitches in total. We have also finished the second row. We need to crochet a slip stitch in every round. Here we correspond to single crochet stitches, so we hook single crochet stitches first. Just remember. And in the stitch of the slip stitch, we hook slip stitch, then keep crocheting until the right number of rows. To wrap around your head circumference. To wrap around your head. After crocheting, the height is about 29 centimeters. Fold the sewn fabric in half. Let's do the slip stitch to sew. First, chain 1 stitch. Pick up the stitch on this side. Then pick the half stitch near the outside. Bring the thread through like this. We pull the stitch. 1 stitch to 1 stitch. According to this rule, we'll pull the stitch to the first stitch here. After sewing, we chain a stitch and cut the thread. Leave a longer thread. We sew the top of the hat. Pick up this place of each circle to string it up. Then tighten it. Then, at the edge of the hat, we sew a few more stitches to make the hole smaller. For these areas, you can adjust it by yourself. In this way, a simple and nice beanie is done.